The gig economy has opened the door for anyone with a smartphone, and some hustle to start earning money on their own terms. Platforms like Uber Eats, Instacart, DoorDash, and Skip the Dishes offer flexibility, independence, and quick payouts. But there is one problem most gig workers quickly run into: inconsistent demand. 1 hour you are slammed with orders, the next you are sitting idle, burning time and fuel. That is where the triple play strategy comes in. This strategy is about stacking multiple gig apps and switching between them strategically throughout the day to maximize your earning potential, reduce downtime, and turn slow periods into profitable ones. Let's break down how it works and how you can use it to increase your income without working longer hours. What is the triple play strategy? The triple play strategy is simple in concept but powerful in execution. You use multiple gig apps and rotate between them based on demand, time of day, and earning potential. Instead of relying on one app and hoping for consistent orders, you create a system where one app is your primary earner during peak times, another fills in mid-level demand periods, a third covers slow or niche windows. Think of it like having 3 income streams running in parallel, but only actively working the one that is paying the most at any given moment. Why relying on one app limits your income? Many gig workers make the mistake of sticking to one platform. At first, it feels simple and manageable. But over time, the downsides become obvious. Dead time between orders, algorithm fluctuations, oversaturation of drivers, lower payouts during off-peak hours. For example, Uber Eats might be incredibly busy during lunch and dinner, but nearly dead mid-afternoon. If you only rely on that one app, you are essentially choosing to make less money during those slow periods. The triple play strategy eliminates this issue by giving you options. Understanding demand cycles. To master this strategy, you need to understand how demand changes throughout the day. Each gig app thrives at different times. Morning, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., coffee runs and breakfast deliveries, grocery orders from early planners. Best apps: Instacart, Uber Eats. Light demand, midday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., lunch rush kicks in hard. Best apps: DoorDash, Uber Eats. Skip the Dishes, afternoon, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., slowest part of the day. Best apps: Instacart, package delivery or errands, if available in your area, evening, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., dinner rush, highest earning potential. Best apps: Uber Eats, DoorDash. Skip the Dishes, late night, 9 p.m. to 1 a.m., fast food and convenience orders. Best apps: Uber Eats, DoorDash. How to execute the triple play strategy. Step 1. Sign up for multiple apps at minimum. You want 3 apps active. 1 for food delivery, 1 for groceries, 1 backup or secondary delivery platform. Example: Stack, Uber Eats, Instacart, DoorDash. This gives you coverage across all time slots. Step 2. Run multiple apps simultaneously. You should have all your apps turned on, but only accept the best order available. For example, if Uber Eats sends a $12 order for 20 minutes, take it. If Instacart offers a $25 batch during a slow period, switch to that. The key is to avoid committing to low-paying orders when better ones may be available on another app. Step 3. Prioritize high-dollar efficiency. Your goal is not just to stay busy, it is to maximize earnings per hour. Instead of thinking, "I need to stay active," think, "I need to make $25 to $35 per hour consistently." That means, reject low-paying orders, avoid long-distance trips unless the payout is high, focus on short, high-value deliveries. Step 4. Use time blocking. Divide your day into earning blocks. Morning block, grocery-focused lunch block, food delivery afternoon block, flexible or Instacart dinner block, food delivery heavy. This prevents burnout and keeps your strategy structured. Real example of a triple play day. Let's say you are working from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. you focus on Instacart, complete 2 batches, earn $40 to $60. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. switch to Uber Eats and DoorDash, lunch rush, earn $60 to $90. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. slow period, back to Instacart. 1 to 2 larger orders, earn $30 to $50. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. dinner rush, focus on Uber Eats Skip Dishes earn $80 to $120 total daily earnings. $210 to $320 without switching apps. This could easily drop to $120 to $180. Advanced triple play tactics. 1. Stack orders strategically. If you receive multiple orders going in the same direction, you can increase efficiency. Many apps already bundle orders, but experienced drivers recognize patterns and routes. 2. Learn your market. Every city behaves differently. In a place like Hamilton, certain neighborhoods dominate lunch traffic. Suburban areas may perform better for grocery deliveries. Downtown areas thrive at night. Track your results and adjust your strategy weekly. 3. Chase promotions and boosts. Apps often offer surge pricing, peak pay bonuses, guaranteed earnings. For example, DoorDash peak pay during dinner. Uber Eats surge zones. Always prioritize the app offering the highest incentives. 4. Minimize downtime. Downtime is your biggest enemy. To reduce it, position yourself near busy restaurants or stores. Avoid driving aimlessly. Relocate if you go 10 to 15 minutes without orders. 5. Track your metrics. Keep track of hourly earnings, best times per app, fuel costs, acceptance rates. Only where necessary. Over time, patterns will emerge, and you can refine your triple play system. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Accepting every order. Not all money is good money. Low-paying orders reduce your hourly rate. 2. Overcommitting to one app. Even if you have a favorite, staying loyal costs you income. 3. Ignoring expenses. Fuel, maintenance, and time all matter. Focus on net profit, not just gross earnings. 4. Poor time management. Working randomly leads to inconsistent income. Structure is key. Tools that give you an edge. To take this strategy to the next level, consider using multi-app tracking spreadsheets, mileage tracking apps, earnings dashboards. These help you treat gig work like a business, not just a side hustle. Is the triple play strategy worth it? Absolutely, if done correctly. The biggest advantage is control. Instead of being at the mercy of one platform, you become the one making decisions. You choose when to work, what orders to accept, which platform to prioritize. That shift alone can double your earnings over time. Final thoughts. The gig economy rewards those who adapt. If you rely on one app, you are leaving money on the table. But if you embrace the triple play strategy, you create a system where every hour has a purpose and every decision is optimized for profit. Start simple. Add a second app, learn its peak times, begin switching strategically, then layer in a third. Over time, you will build a rhythm that turns slow hours into productive ones and transforms gig work into a reliable income stream. The truth is, success in the gig economy is not about working harder. It is about working smarter, switching faster, and always being in the right place at the right time.